The face of the truth is covered by golden lid. O God, please uncover so that the truth and dharma are visible. The Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is a system of premier central government schools in India that are instituted under the aegis of Ministry of Education, Government of India. In 1959, Second Central Pay Commission recommended to establish higher secondary schools with a common syllabus and medium of instruction for the benefit of the children of the central government employees who are liable to frequent transfers as well as other floating population. This was done having regard to the difficulty of central government employees in having uniform education for their children owing to difference in syllabus and medium of instruction in different linguistic areas and varying standards of education. On the basis of this recommendation, on 15th December 1963, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan was established with primary objective of catering the educational needs of children of transferable central government, including defense and paramilitary personnel, by providing a common program of education. From 1963, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan started a big journey to initiate and promote experimentation and innovations in education in collaboration with other bodies like CBSE and NCERT. Now, Kendriya Vidyalaya is one of the largest chain of schools in India with 3 branches abroad. Today, this network includes 1,245 schools, almost 14 lakh students, 48,000 employees, 25 regions and 5 training institutes. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan believes in imparting knowledge, values and nurturing talents, enthusiasm and creativity of its students for seeking excellence through high quality educational endeavors. It is rightly said, KVS is a mini India, and through different programs it creates the spirit of national integration and create sense of Indianness among children. Our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi said, "By education I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in child, man, body, mind and spirit." Starting from school readiness program, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan initiate and execute different activities for all-round development of children. The Awakened Citizen program, Back to Basic, Swasth Bacche, Swasth Bharat are examples of model initiatives of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is leading from the front to impart quality education based on ICT. Now, whole India is looking at this pace-setting institution to learn and progress. It has miles to go. Undoubtedly, we can say that this organization will create wonders in the field of education.
भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा, तक्षशिला नालंदा का इतिहास लौट कर आएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा।